Elvorti is a leading manufacturer of sowing and tillage equipment in Ukraine and Eastern Europe, the flagship of the Ukrainian agricultural machinery. The factory was founded in 1874 by brothers Robert and Thomas Elvorti in Yelisavetgrad, Kherson province. From a small workshop for the repair and pre-sale preparation of agricultural machines that were imported from England, the factory has become a large enterprise for the production of agricultural machinery. In the 80s of the 19th century, the Elvorti factory was the first in Europe to produce seeders. Combining many years of experience, Elvorti constantly introduces innovative energy and resource-saving technologies, independently developing modern models of equipment. The factory produces more than 40 types of high-quality products, taking into account all the requirements of farmers. Elvorti produces a wide range of sowing and tillage equipment. The company also has an additional direction, a special technique for plant protection. The enterprise employs highly qualified specialists who use the latest software for engineering development, as well as modern automated equipment with numerical control to perform metal cutting, welding, and other metalworking operations. Rapid reprogramming allows producing a wide range of products that meet all the requirements of agricultural technologies. Taking into account the fact that the equipment works in difficult conditions, quality control is carried out at all stages of its production, from metal acceptance and testing of parts to checking the finished unit. Elvorti regularly participates in international agricultural and industrial exhibitions, not only in Ukraine but also abroad. The main operators of the agricultural machinery market from 15 countries in Europe and Asia cooperate with Elvorti. This allows the company to take a leading position among the manufacturers of agricultural machinery. Qualified support and after-sales service of equipment, direct communication with farmers, and work to meet the needs of consumers. Today, these are the most important tasks of Elvorti. Elvorti is modern production, innovative equipment, high-quality products, and stable operation for many years.